His mom. Happy 4th of July.
I can't see. Hi.
There's Dad running away from me. It's not even that bright, you baby.
It's so bright you can't
It's my
see.
baby Zeus. It's my baby Zizi. And it's my big baby. My big baby.
I don't think you'll start a sparkler with it.
And my little mom. My little mama. You better be careful with her.
Yes. She's careful. Look at Kiara.
I'm trying to, but Marin won't let me get to her.
Oh, well, I'm trying not to start your kid on fire.
You like that little baby? That's scary, or you like it?
Burning me.
There
Ow.
you go.
That's why they suggest you wear long pants and shoes.
Well, I didn't burn my leg. I burned my arm. What are you doing out here? You get lit on
You have to
fire.
have to point it so the wind blows against you, not